Through every step, from first messages to Maya's first smile, Naomi and Matt, you have shown a devotion that runs deeper than distance, deeper than time, and stronger than any challenge that's come your way. You first met in person at Cronulla Dog Beach. The ocean breeze, sandy paws, and instant spark made for a perfect first date. When it came to choosing how to celebrate your love, you wanted something far from ordinary. A traditional wedding just wouldn't do. Today is a chance for you to celebrate your love and all the amazing things that you share, and also the exciting future before you as you begin this new chapter together in marriage.
Sometimes you get something good and you don't know.
We gather not just to witness a marriage, but to celebrate a love story that began in the most modern of ways with a swipe.
Feeling like this never gets old. Whatever I do, I won't let go. Look at us now.
You love Matt not only for his handsome face, but for his unwavering strength, his deep kindness, and the steady calm he brings. He is your rock, your home, and your truest comfort.
Look at us now. Oh, look at us now.
Love is finding someone who makes your life better, and for whom you can do the same. Love is being kind and selfless and gentle. Some days will be difficult, and some days will be easy, but every day you will choose to love.
There's so much waiting before us we've yet to find.
On September the 9th came another joyful surprise. We discovered you were expecting. And on April the 30th, 2025, your world changed forever with the arrival of your daughter Maya. So through your vows and exchanging rings, you are making a public commitment of your love for each other.
Look at us now. A moment we own it, no doubt. There's nothing that's holding us down.
The long distance love was real, but so was the challenge. Still, as you both knew, some things are just worth it.
Look at us now. Oh, look at us now. Look at
Together you've created a home filled with laughter, dogs, love, one very patient cat, and now a tiny adventurer named Maya.
Sometimes it just takes a minute to change your life.
It is my great pleasure to announce you as Mr. and Mrs. Ray. You make it!
Look at us now. A moment we own it, no doubt. There's nothing that's holding us down. You and me, as good as could be, living this dream that we found. Look at us now. Oh, look at us now. Look at us now. Look at us now. Oh, look at us now. Yeah, look at us now. Look at us now.
And you get to remember this day, we're in this beautiful spot. You are committing to spending your whole life in a team with your best friend.